Welcome to Core Custodian CC Wallet. Click on Get Started to start your journey. Next step, click on Create a new wallet to create your first wallet. Create a strong password and write it down on a paper. CC Wallet team cannot help you when you forget or lose your password. Creating a strong password is essential for online security. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid easily guessable information like birthdays or names. Locate the checkbox on the screen and click it to agree to the terms. Once you've checked the box, proceed by clicking the Create Password button. This action will finalize your password setup, allowing you to access your account securely. Next, click on Start to generate your unique secret phrase. This process may take a moment, so be patient. Once it's ready, ensure you write it down in a secure notebook to keep it safe. Your secret phrase is essential for maintaining your account security and access. This secret phrase is crucial for accessing your wallet if you change your phone. It allows you to import your wallet to your new device, ensuring that your assets remain secure and accessible. To view your secret phrase, click on the View button. Once it appears, take a moment to write it down carefully in a secure location, such as a notebook that only you can access. After entering your secret phrase on the next page, you'll be welcomed with a congratulatory message. This signifies that you have successfully backed up your passphrase, ensuring your wallet is secure. Take a moment to celebrate this important step in safeguarding your assets and maintaining access to your account. You are now in your wallet's dashboard, where you can send, receive, or swap tokens, including the native token, Core. Take a moment to explore all the features available to you.